Welcome everyone. So today's video is just a little bit of a curiosity. Over the summer I decided to buy myself a little ROG NUC 970, a little gaming PC, and I wanted to give this computer a little bit of extra storage, and I was fascinated by the prospect of just being able to actually install that directly into the computer myself. I've used Mac computers my whole life, or Apple computers my whole life, and you don't really open up your Mac computer to install things into it. You use external storage or you get a new system. So to me this was really fascinating to be able to go inside into the guts, the electronic guts of the computer, and have a bit of confidence that I can put things in there without hurting the computer. It's a little bit like getting some fruit off of a fruit tree in your yard and realizing that you didn't have to pay anybody for food. And being the person I am who is just fascinated by small, simple little random moments in my life, I decided to video record myself opening up the PC, installing this extra storage card, admiring my fuzzy arms, and closing the PC back up again so that I could use it. So that's all that this video is. This isn't a tutorial, it's not a review, it's literally just a moment that I decided to capture. Just a little moment of joy, of curiosity that is way over the top in terms of just, I'm sure it's really not that fascinating to everybody, but I captured it anyway and decided that I wanted to share it. So I hope so far that you have enjoyed this journey with me. The reason I decided to get a gaming PC over the summer is because I got nostalgic for the games I used to play as a kid and wanting to actually experience a bit more with modern games. As I've gone through life over the past couple decades, I just haven't had a lot of time to make room for playing computer games, playing PC games, playing console games. I mean, it's really not a sad thing. I mean, my goodness. I mean that I actually spent time like talking to people and being active at church and like working on graduate degrees and traveling the world. Like, oh my goodness, it's so sad that I haven't had time for games. What is this? What is this? Anyway, just wanted to bring a little bit of realistic perspective back to this before it gets a little too absurd here. So I've been productive with my life. What am I complaining about here? But anyway, I was just interested in getting back into exploring games again. So what about you guys? How do computer and console games fit into your life? Or do they not fit into your life because you're quite a healthy person who doesn't spend time playing games? Let me know. That's a bit much either way. You know, it's a luxury. It's a luxury. What sorts of philosophical random things do you pontificate about when you are playing computer games? Thank you for indulging me in this over-the-top video about installing storage into a gaming PC. Have a wonderful day and goodbye.